Hello world, it's almost like 4 years, and in this video I have promised you that I will be uploading source code for this demonstration, and I forgot that until I have received this request yesterday. And also there's another request where he or she was requesting me to explain this thing. So without further ado, let's get started. So this thing is, I'm importing C types, and in the user32 DLL there's a function called lock workstation, and what it can do, I'll be running this script, and that is python lock.py, pressing an enter, and you can see my workstation is locked, right? So I'll be combining these two lines with a Flask app. You can see that in this Flask app I have created a route slash, and I have used port 80 to run this application. So let me quickly run this application, and before doing that you can see that my IP address is 172.16 and 116.130. I'll be marking this. Sorry, I am on Windows 10, so I don't need to right click. I'm selecting this and I'm right clicking on this thing, and I'll be running this Flask application. So this is python and test underscore flask.py, pressing an enter, and it started on port 80. So I'll be moving to my browser and I'll be pasting this IP address, and I'll be pressing an enter, and you can see hello world is printed. So what I'll do, I'll change this hello world to h1 locked. I'll be closing h1 tag, saving this application, and I'll be reloading this application. Sorry, it's running on Flask, so I need to reload this, and quickly reloading this application, and you can see it's like locked. So what I'll be doing, I'll be quickly uh, quickly stop this application, and I'll be moving to this test underscore flask. I'll be importing import C types, right? And in this particular line I'll be pasting this. So let's copy this, and I'll be pasting this application here. Sorry, pasting this line here. It's nothing but importing Windows user32 DLL, and we'll be calling this lock workstation function. So by doing this, we should be able to lock our Windows screen via HTTP protocol. I'm quickly moving to here, and I'll be rerunning this application, and it is saying that unintended. Okay, so let's clear this indentation, and I'll be running this script. Okay, so that's Python for you. I'll be just typing this line, C types dot win dll dot user32 dot lock workstation, and I'll be removing this line. Also for safety, I'll be is it like space or tab? I think it's tab. So like I am rerunning this application. C types, okay. Let's run again, and this time I'll be reloading this app. You can see that I am having this the C types is not defined, so let me quickly copy this and C types, pressing save, and I'll be rerunning this application. And it's locked, right? So this simple script will be uploaded to this GitHub or some Google Drive. So thank you.